Hello, I'm Kevin from Crypto MY. In today's episode, I'll be reviewing about a copy trading platform that might ease your life. So let's stay tuned. So today, the copy trading that I'll be reviewing about is the BingBon trading platform. What is BingBon about? BingBon is actually one of the derivative exchange that is established in 2018, and it also a contract trading platform invested by the Hong Kong listed company Seong An Technology Group. The main body of this BingBon company is registered in Estonia and has now obtained the Estonian MTR and US MSB trading licenses. The business covers Asia, Europe, North America, and other countries, and has offices in Taiwan, Hong Kong, Singapore, Vietnam, and Estonia. So this is actually the background, a very quick background of what is BingBon all about. And the most important thing that I want to look at is the coin market cap, because as we know, if we want to look at certain specific exchanges, we will look at the ranking in the coin market cap. According to the coin market cap, this BingBon ranking has been always stable in this top 10 derivative exchange, and that is not without a reason. As you know, it's not easy to maintain 9 official languages, up to 35 currencies with USDT standards contracts, and leverage of Bitcoin contracts that can pull up to 125 times. A comfortable investment environment and a multi-currency standard contract options services have also contributed to the daily transaction volume of these popsicles reaching $700 million in 2020, and the number of daily transaction users can reach all the way to 5,000, and this also explains why this BingBon can always remains among the top 10 derivative exchanges. So looking at the coin market cap itself, if we look at the coin market under the exchange derivative, you can see that the BingBon is really listed and ranked under the top 10 among the other exchanges. And this is actually very good. Why? Because we want to ensure, because when we want to go in certain exchanges, we want to see how good and how best and what is the reputation like in the certain exchanges. And looking at here, you can see that looking at here is about 4 billions of trading volumes. Actually not bad for a top 10 ranking. Okay, so what's so great about this BingBon trading platform compared to other exchanges outside? So if you look at Huobi, Binance, they are all strong exchanges outside. They're offering similar products that other exchanges are offering also. And I believe that one standout point, the most standout point for this BingBon is actually the copy trading. So what is copy trading? Copy trading, when you first heard it, one thing comes to your mind is copying. So very simple, you are actually copying a certain trader trading position. So what he is doing right now, you will actually copy exactly what he's doing. For example, let's say I'm a Kevin and I registered myself as a professional trader in BingBon. So you will see my name there, and you will see that this person Kevin has this sort of past experience and this sort of trading positions, and how much profit that he earned past 30 days, past few days, and how much he lost, what is the maximum drawdown. Everything is written under my profile, and you will have the option to decide whether or not you should select me, or you should follow my trading position, or you want to follow other person trading position. So looking at this BingBon website, you can see there is number of traders that you can follow in this BingBon exchange platform. So let's say if I'm really interested in, let's say, this person, I see that in 30 days he has about a profit rate of 208%. Okay, let's say if I'm very interested and I want to know more about this person, so I can actually go into his profile, and I can actually look at it accounts asset, P&L, profit and losses, earnings of followers, 30 days of profit rate, the maximum drawdown, and the number of followers. And actually you can also see its trading data and its position history. So what he has done earlier today, yesterday, all sort of stuff, all sort of position that he done, you can actually see by yourself. So let's say he look at here, he done V chain versus USDT, he has long and does a leverage of 5x, and what it was his opening price, opening time, closing price, closing, and this is all transparent to you. So that is the reason why I think BingBon actually stands out. And these copy trading tools is actually very benefits to the beginner traders. So as a beginner itself, I think most of you will have a hard time analyzing the technical analysis, because you guys will have don't have a certain knowledge of how you want to trade in terms of using the tools that they are given. So you will have a lot of hard time as a beginner when you are starting to trade in the platform. And this copy trading actually helps you a lot in terms of you won't have any hassle to go and learn something new, go to learn how to trade, because what you need to do is just click and select whichever experienced trader that you are interested. Look at his profile, see whether his profile is interesting or not, whether you like it or not, and then just go for it. So simply just click the copy button somewhere around the right side corner and you are good to go. So very simple, very straightforward, and I think this copy trading really helps the beginners to earn profits, a lot of profit. Of course, you need to be very specific who you are following. So as the summary itself, I do think that this BingBon is a very perfect tool for beginners who don't want to have any hassle to learn how to trade in cryptocurrency platform. And I do think BingBon is so far the best copy traders platform in crypto space in terms of reputation, the list of products they are giving in terms of copy trading also, and the most important is the flexibility. So whoever who are interested in this BingBon and want to know more about this BingBon trading platform, I will put down the link below. You guys can actually click it and register an account from there. It's very straightforward. And remember to check out the BingBon website. So I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.